Ito talaga maganda. Oh, happy Monday to all of us. Okay. So I'm still waiting for the summer school bus of CC. So this one is very nice talaga. The owner of this one is a good, good thinking. You know why? Because this one is any weather that they can survive, or it's still it is still blooming. You know what she do only this one? Just to wash. If she's cleaning in the balcony and then washing also this one, make it wash. So it's become clean. Everything is clean. In the winter time, it's not will become yung masubrahan ba sa lamig. Hindi, because this one is plastic. So if summer also like this one, look this one, what happened? The real plants. It's haram. Diba? Ito, kahit anong gagawing init mo, hindi talaga to. Excuse. Hindi talaga yan magiging ganito. Okay? So best talaga. Good idea. Thank you again for watching. Andyan na si Sisi. Andoon na naman kami. Bye-bye! Bye! Okay. Halika, ano natin yung school bus. Bye-bye, school bus! Say bye-bye, where is your friend?
I want to go out.
Yela, we go. Yela. So, thank you again. Kawawa naman yung mga tanim namin. Nagiging mot na. Ayan yung hair ni Sisi. Look the hair of Sisi. Shower only yan. Shower yung hair niya. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you for watching. And hello, little boy. Nag-sleep pala siya. Yela, i-push mo na. Ano mo na yung yung hair ni Sisi. So,
Where is Mama?
Up. Turn back only. Turn back. I want only to see your hair. Loco. I don't want to see your face. Just your hair. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for